In this video, I want to show you how to start a new mining session in Pi network. This may sound so simple, but somebody asked me, how do I start a new mining session in Pi mining app? So that's the essence of doing this video. So to start a new mining session in Pi network, open your Pi mining app. Click to open it. The mining session in Pi mining app is a 24-hour mining cycle, which means if I start mining now, it will take me 24 hours before it elapses, which means after 24 hours, I need to open or launch the app and start the mining section. So you can see here, tap here to mine Pi. As a contributor, you help secure the Pi transaction history by setting up your security circle. In return, you are rewarded in Pi with a higher mining rate. So to start mining, click on this symbol to start the new mining session. Click on it. So this will bring this page. Mine by confirming circle. So by confirming your security circle daily, you contribute to the Pi network security. So you can see your security circle here, and if you want to change your security circle, and it's advisable you change it if people in your security cycle are not active member of the app. So if they are not active, change it to members that are active. So you can do that by editing it here. So if you are okay with your security circle, to start a new mining session, click on mine. Usually it brings an advert like this, which you can skip after 3 seconds. Let's skip it. So a new mining section has begun. So this is how to start a new mining section in Pi browser. Thank you for watching.